Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This month is focused on fabulous skin and beautiful hair. Welcome to my weekly hot hormone tip where we talk about simple, natural ways to help women feel their best. Hi, I'm Robin Nielsen, CEO and founder of Natural Hormone Solution. Each episode, I'll share practical tips to support your hormones, your health, and your happiness so you can feel amazing at any age. You know, when I was, oh my gosh, I want to say like 15, 16, 17, for sure 18 years old, maybe 19 years old, I was worried about getting wrinkles. So I remember always putting cream on my face and, no idea how healthy the cream was at the time, but I just knew that if I put cream on my face, I wouldn't wrinkle or I would wrinkle a lot slower. It was so funny to think about the fact that I was worried about that when I was so young. Anyway, I have since learned that we can actually eliminate wrinkles. Now, maybe not all of them, of course. I still have skin things going on here as I age. And that's just the way it is. But we definitely can make a big impact on how beautiful our skin is and our hair is. And, I have rolled as a, kind of high stress person my whole life, or, high activity, high GSD, get stuff done person. Um, and, uh, and I still, been able to navigate things pretty well just by learning, what it takes to feel well. And that's kind of our goal here is to do what we need to do to feel well because everything else follows. So what's going on inside our bodies, with our blood vessels and our organs and our bones and brain and all of that is also happening on the outside. So if our outside is in bad shape, guess what? Right? Our inside is too. So we want to focus on getting healthy, and it's always from the inside out. Isn't that great? So when we heal the inside, the outside follows suit. It's so cool. So today I just kind of want to give you an overview of what it looks like to take better care of our skin and our hair. And then each week this month, I'm going to share in more detail about each of the different components that have a big impact on skin health and hair health. So, right now, I want to share really the biggest things that take out our skin and our hair. And, if you're suffering from acne or eczema, psoriasis, things like that, it still comes down to healing the inside. So just know that it's not just about wrinkles, it's about any skin condition. We can heal it all. So if you remember, I had, acne on my face, my chest, and my back for decades, literally for at least 3 decades. And eventually, I figured it out. I was able to heal it. But, in the meantime, it was pretty devastating. So I am living proof that you can heal some pretty crazy things just by, taking care of the inside. So the biggest thing that takes out our hair and our skin is really what I call the hormone deal breakers. They are those stressors, those root causes, right, that are really taking our health out in general. So, if you feel like your skin is really suffering or, your hair is not how you want it to be, then there's stuff going on the inside. And you just need to work on that, and things can turn around. I also had varicose veins, right? Which is a really big deal. And you can see them and they're painful. And I had those at a really young age. So that completely healed. So I know that things can heal when we heal the outside. So those hormone deal breakers, I'm going to share my screen so you can see what they are. I know many of you know them already, but I just want to do this as a reminder because these are the things that we're working on. We're working on these things because these are the root causes of hormone imbalance. And these are the root causes of, skin issues, hair issues. And, skin and hair, they're really important to us because it's sort of our outward presence in the world. And, it really affects our self-esteem. I know it certainly did for me, when I had the acne. Varicose veins, not so much. They were just painful and they bothered me, but it was really the acne that took me out a lot. So it's not eating for hormone balance, right? Our protein, fat, and healthy carbohydrate vegetable at every meal, within an hour of waking in the morning and every 4 to 6 hours. And, we stop eating by 7. So not doing that, right? Nutrient deficiencies are huge. Poor or not enough restorative sleep. Restorative sleep is unmedicated sleep where you're getting all the different cycles of sleep during the night. Toxins, right? Toxins of all kinds. And it can be even like toxic habits of mind, toxic relationships, environmental toxins, right? Toxins in our home, in our cleaning products, in our makeup, in our body care products. And just, toxins that we have internal, maybe in our digestive tract that we don't even know are there. So toxins can build up. There's something called toxic load where our body just can't process all the toxins that we have going on at any one time. And that's when, our skin erupts potentially because our skin is our largest detoxification organ. So you've got to keep a handle on the toxins, right? What we're exposed to, how well our body's processing them. The wrong type and duration of exercise for you. You are potentially, stressing your body out too much and it just can't keep up. So that's when you're busy, busy, busy and you're overdoing that your skin gets all crepey. That's when your skin gets really crepey. So take a look at the complete hormone assessment, and that will help you to see that it's that elevated cortisol, right, over time that makes that crepey skin. Chronic infections. So a lot of times we don't even know, but we have to do some testing to figure that out. There's just these underlying chronic infections that are inflammatory that are keeping you stuck, right? Keeping your health stuck. Poor adrenal and thyroid function. So if you have an adrenal issue, you're going to have a compensatory thyroid issue, and that's, your cortisol and your thyroid hormones, and your adrenal glands make a lot of hormones. So there's a lot of dysfunction there potentially. And, without good thyroid function, we don't have a healthy metabolism, which means that you can't grow beautiful hair. It's just not possible. Compromised digestion. So maybe you're not digesting your food well. Maybe you're not absorbing the nutrients properly. You've got to heal your digestion. And, there's that expression that all disease begins in the gut, and conversely, all disease can be healed in the gut. So that's so optimistic and so promising, and it is absolutely true. Number 9, insulin resistance. So a lot of symptoms of insulin resistance are the exact same symptoms of perimenopause and potentially menopause. So when we become more insulin sensitive, when we get a handle on our blood sugar and on our insulin, then our skin, right, and our hair can heal and look so much better. And 10, lack of support, community. And this may not seem relevant to skin and hair health, but it actually is a huge root cause of poor health. So we've got to have community. And it's interesting, in the New York Times recently, there has been a lot on community. And that's so cool. So many people are consciously creating more community in their lives. And I can't tell you what a game changer that's been for me. And then bonus, looking for love outside of ourselves, looking for constant validation somewhere else, when what we need to be doing is just giving it to ourselves, just loving ourselves unconditionally. And I know that that's a thing. And it's easier said than done, but we can just start right now by just putting our hands on our hearts and just saying, I love you. And I love you. And you can just feel just this huge like relief in your body, and your shoulders just, kind of drop, and just breathing into your belly as you say that, so that you can just bring cortisol down, slow down for a minute, and be in the present moment. So those are those root causes of poor skin and hair health, and you can actually reverse it. So we've had many women in our beautiful private community who have regrown hair. So they've lost a lot of hair, and they get very discouraged. And just by doing all the things that we do in our program, right? Testing, replacing missing nutrients, healing digestion, healing brain chemistry, balancing cortisol, improving circadian rhythm, improving sleep, all that stuff, their hair grows back. It's literally a miracle. So their hair grows back, and it's annoying for a short period of time, because you have all these little new hairs that start to grow, and they're sticking up, but it's a reminder that you're celebrating hair growth, right? It's so, so, so cool. So hair loss is one of those things that happens oftentimes. So there are a number of reasons that hair loss happens, but it can happen if we're too stressed out for too long, because our brain's job, one of our brain's main jobs, is to keep us alive, and we don't need hair to survive. So it's going to send nutrients other places. And so that's one of the reasons why women lose their hair. It's not the main reason why men lose their hair, but it is for women. So that's why we need to really address those root causes, those hormone deal breakers. So just going to take a look at my notes here. So what we want to start looking at is really, healing digestion. And that includes better toxin management. So our body's, metabolizing toxins all the time. It's daily job. So our liver, our gallbladder, our the microbiome and our digestive tract, they're all trying to manage these toxins. And, they come in, or our body metabolizes them, and then they need to go out. And so if we get too many, then it manifests itself in our skin, or can, cause inflammation and take out our hair, or do all these things. So, so we need to really improve digestion. And then we need to make sure that we're getting enough nutrients, right? We're getting enough nutrients, because nutrients run every reaction in your body. The nutrients, like vitamins and minerals, make things happen. So without enough vitamins and minerals, you cannot build your body back up. You can't make beautiful new skin cells. You can't grow new hair. So you've got to have the right nutrients to do these things. You've got to have food. You've got to have protein. Protein builds everything, right? Our hair is made of protein. Beautiful skin is made of protein. Beautiful sister, she knows this. She gets fish oil and vitamins and minerals every day in her breakfast. And let's see, yeah, and we need all the building blocks, right? We need beautiful fat. I notice when I don't get enough fat in my diet, specifically in the form of like fish oil, right? The EPA, the DHA. DHA is for your brain, EPA is for inflammation. Then my skin gets dry. I'm really susceptible to dry skin, and it could be because I have the ApoE34 genetic SNP, and I need more fish oil. So like eating salmon, it's really wild caught salmon, right? Herrings, kippers, sardines, really important for me. And let's see what else. Sleep. Oh my gosh. Sleep might be the most important thing for beautiful skin and hair. because it's so restorative. We can't do it without nutrients, right? And the right food and building blocks, of course. But sleep really reduces inflammation and it really improves blood vessels, which means that you're going to improve your skin health. It's so essential, but it can be so elusive. I get that. So we're working on everything at the same time because it all goes together. So over time, not overnight, it will definitely happen. But those are the things that we're going to be talking about over this next month. So I'm so excited. So just start thinking about some of these things. Your supplement protocol, so, so, so important. Your eating, so important, right? Making sure that you're getting the right testing done and following your protocol around that. And just, putting one foot in front of the other, getting outside, getting some good air, right? Some beautiful sunshine in your eyes, just all the things that set a beautiful circadian rhythm and get you into balance. That forest bathing, getting out, on a nice hike in the trees where those ions just fill your body with magic, literally. Same thing at the ocean. You can get the same thing at the ocean. So that's a start on beautiful skin and beautiful hair. And I look forward to seeing you next week. So let's see here. Oh, I hid my my information. So thanks so much for joining me today for this hot hormone tip. I'm Robin Nielsen, and remember, you can feel amazing at any age. Sending you so much love. Mwah.